Today we're going to use a Scribe CX Inspector product to process textual responses and return thematic codes. So from the Ascribe homepage, we're going to go ahead and click on the CX Inspector icon. It's going to bring us directly into the CX Inspector landing page where we have the option, the only option right now is upload and analyze or get into an existing project. We're going to go ahead and upload and analyze store data. So today this is retail store feedback. This is the file we're going to be analyzing. You can just see real simple file. We've got a unique respondent identifier, a couple of closed-end questions, division, region, month, and then Q1 and Q2, both of which I believe tell us about your experience in our store and how can we improve our store. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open the file. And now the system is actually interrogating the file to prepare it for loading. Scribe does tell us which fields contain open ends, so we can kind of see an example of the responses, the textual responses that are available in Q1 or Q2. We could analyze both together. We could break them out into their own questions, which we're not going to do today. It also does show us the closed ends that will be available for us to use for bannering, filtering, and other things. The options for loading for our AI analysis over here on the far right. We are going to use generative AI today. You do have the option just to use split words and split characters to identify segments in your responses rather than generative AI, but we are going to work with generative AI, and we're going to tell it that the comments are about a retail store. We could say a retail store customer feedback. We could say a retail supermarket. We could just say whatever it is that you want to say to describe the data here to give it some context. We're going to leave the other things sit where they're at and go ahead and hit analyze. So the system is now analyzing that data, those two textual fields. It will segment the comments by pulling out the main ideas in the actual responses. The main ideas that are gathered from the responses will then be clustered and put into an organized category list or code list. The analysis may take a few minutes, so do know that you can close and notify, in which the system will let you know when it's finished running. It'll alert you through your email, and then you can access the project when you're able.